So Prahas, today I am going to ask you the questions related to Abacus Level 0. Okay. Your first question is 11 plus 22 minus 33 plus 11.
Answer is 11.
Next question 55 plus 33 minus 22
Yes, sir.
plus 22.
88, sir.
Next question 33 minus 11 plus 55 plus 22.
99, sir.
Next question
Yes, sir.
88
Yes, sir.
minus 33
Yes, sir.
plus 44
Yes, sir.
minus 22.
77, sir.
Next question
Yes, sir.
44
Yes, sir.
plus 55
Yes, sir.
minus 33
Yes, sir.
plus 11.
77, sir.
Okay. Next question
Yes, sir.
22
Yes, sir.
plus 22
Yes, sir.
plus 55
Yes, sir.
minus 11.
33, sir. 1988, sir.
Okay. Next question 44
Yes, sir.
plus 55
Yes, sir.
minus 22
Yes, sir.
plus 11.
88, sir.
Next question 33
Yes, sir.
plus 11
Yes, sir.
plus 55
Yes, sir.
minus 77.
Minus 70. 22, sir.
Next question 99
99
minus 44
minus 44
plus 22
plus 22
minus 66.
minus 66. 11, sir.
Very good. Keep it up.